Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
These guys. Look at them, all the way over there. That don't make no sense. Anti-ways. Alright, back to the action. Both bikes are right here. We got the two other electrics. Really? 1, 2, 3. Yep. So, two electrics. Four-wheelers park like this. And my dirt bike's over there. So, that one will be cool right there. So here it is. The motor has to come out. From what I was told, it does have a blown motor, which I'm trying to see where the crack is at. It might be on the other side. Not sure. But supposedly it does have a crack or something, so I don't know. Maybe this the oil. Yeah. Okay, I don't think there's no oil. I don't know. We'll have to see. But it needs some components. Jeez, it needs some components. All this is literally in awkward and wrong spots. So yeah, we're gonna. Yeah, oh man, look at that. That just broke like that. Huh? What about him? Okay. All right.
Oh no. Just right here. Oh.
It happens.
Out there.
All right.
Take it easy. I wasn't here for this. I was here for something else that happened.
Yes, sir.
Before you guys. All right.
Told y'all, it gets serious.
I know, so the car itself, I'm gonna turn her around.
Look at Leo.
No, he could ride it, not this one.
Yeah, that one's too big and I want to
Uh.
run those.
I saw the comments start moving.
That's the second time this one right here has had a cop behind it.
You rode yours on the street.
Yeah, mine is on the street, but look, I took some cuts. Y'all gotta see the video, bro. I was all over the place on that little thing. Oh, man. Cops always trying to ruin the fun, man. Alright, well, this ain't at the end of the day, just chill day. Just let y'all know we got the big boy in, so we're gonna try to get the 250 fixed on, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get her restore it a little bit. Not sure which aim I'm gonna take with this one yet. It's missing a lot of pieces and stuff. I mean, a lot of pieces. So yeah, just bear with me, guys. Look at that broken frame. Yeah, bear with me, guys. We're gonna try to get this thing back up and running. You know. Yeah. I mean, it's a good start. Everything's all here from what I can see. Majority of it's all here. So I mean, you know, we'll go from there. But yeah. Till next time, guys. Peace. We are out. Peace.